Welcome to KRC's Machine Tool Video Preview Series. Today we have for you a quick highlight of our custom machine tool design and build services. KRC's engineering team has the ability to design, analyze, and build custom machine tool solutions for any type of application. If your company is wrestling to resolve certain process problems, designing a custom machine tool may be your best solution. We have built many custom multi-axis machines for aerospace manufacturing process operations, such as ECDM roughing, additive welding to replace the long lead time of the casting process, gel injection for turbine blade remanufacturing, and many of these with material handling capability as well. KRC has extensive experience in building custom multi-axis machines for composite machining operations like milling, drilling and countersinking, grinding, and trimming processes, all utilizing state-of-the-art CNC control systems. We will study your application and specifications to provide a formal quotation. This will include steps to address your unique issues, materials, and specifications. We will then provide a rough design plan with projected engineering and manufacturing investment requirements. Our customers' success is our people's ability to deliver on time and on budget. We focus on project management tools like formal schedules that are provided up front before a commitment is made. KRC's best practice experience gives us the competitive edge to win, win, win. Our customers win, our business wins, and our employees win. Only the best solutions are provided here. This has been another KRC Machine Tool Video Preview. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.